What's good, superstars? Back with another Cryptoys video. You got Superstar Joe. You got Superstar Rob. How's it going, Rob?
Pretty good.
I'm on the road. I can't take it. I'm not used to it. I'm not in my regular seat. But this is breaking news, emergency video. We never posted this early, but we made it happen. We came together because there's big news. But guys, if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post about your favorite project. Whenever there's emergency news, like the bell notification right now, very important because you would have got this video to your notifications. Also, you can become a superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Hit the join button underneath the video. Get one of those stars next to your name. You're going to get some extra perks in the Superstar Utility Program coming up at the end of the month. Also, first dibs on any merch. Mine's missing because this is emergency. And a star in the universe every single month. Also, follow us on Twitter or X and Instagram. And the Discord is in the description. You need that if you want to apply for any of the Superstar Utility Program things or Starboy stuff, all in the Discord. And again, every single month, win prizes. And there's a couple ways to enter. You can become a VIP member. You can mint our Cryptoys. Like, this is a Cryptoys video talking about some crazy things that are happening. So if you're minting, make sure you use the link in the description to just stack the utility. And if you buy any merch, that's another way. And if you don't win, if you do not win anything from the SUP, you will have your stars roll over, half of them to the next month. So we're trying to incentivize you winning at some point.
Yeah, that's it. So guys, Joe, first of all, this is absolutely emergency news. I'm very happy that you were able and available to pull over here to have this discussion today. Breaking news from Cryptoys. Will, the CEO, was talking about this on Twitter. So he posted, the Yoda Cryptoid chase is on. To help collectors complete their sets, we'll match you cube for cube on every new Volume 1 Holocron cube you buy today through Sunday, September 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, while supplies last. Okay? Buy one Star Wars Volume 1 Holocron cube and get one for free on them. Buy 5, get 5. Buy 20, get 20. Insane. These are $40 each. So you're basically going to get $80 worth of merchandise for buying one. 2-for-1 deal. All the free Holocron cubes you earn will be airdropped in your backpack next week. This offer is only for this weekend, so get your Holocron cube while supplies last. Guys, superstars, you have done an amazing job supporting us. You've been using our link. We are Cryptoys ambassadors. We have an affiliate link. If you want to support the channel, you can always find our affiliate link in our description below. You can find it on our Twitter. And if you click this link and you purchase Cryptoys with this link, you will not only be supporting the channel, but you have a chance to also go into our Discord and let us know that you purchased it. Because we have this Superstar Utility Program where you can earn stars every single month, and you can potentially win some pretty cool free stuff at the end of the month. We've given away Supermans from McFarlane. We've given away, we've given away 5 Supermans. We've given away the other Superman that was there. We've given away Spawns. We've given away so much
classics.
Starboys. We've given away Cryptoys Classics. So we do a lot of amazing giveaways, and we do that because of your support. So make sure you guys check out our ambassador link if you do want to take advantage of this amazing 2-for-1 deal. We just did it. We did it. We said, how can we leave this? How can we not take advantage of this offer? So we went and we did purchase with our own money. This was not given to us by Cryptoys, even though we are ambassadors. We purchased 5 so that we can take advantage of the 2-for-1 deal. What do you think, Joe?
Yeah, I mean, and remember, this is only for the Star Wars line. The other lines are not included in this, so just for the Star Wars line. But it's cool because now that Yoda chase, which was pretty difficult, now obviously there's going to be other opportunities to attain a less rare Yoda, but the ones that are for set completion just became 50% easier to achieve. A lot of people complaining about how hard it was because there's no marketplace. Crypto's throwing a bone here for anybody who was trying to get
Oh, I think we lost Joe there, unfortunately. But that's okay. I can carry it off. He's making we just lost Joe, but he's making a fantastic point, which is that the Yoda chase just got a lot easier. So what I was going to say is we have the Superstar Utility sheet. You could find this in our Discord. I placed it in the SUP info. I've actually used for you the guys who like math, since math is fun, we just use some simple binomial probability in order to figure out, generally how many cubes do you have to purchase in order to in order to get a certain rarity. So Joe's back now. So,
sorry guys, I got rugged.
Yeah.
Someone called me.
Yeah, guys, we don't edit, so that's not coming out of the video. You're gonna see that whole thing. But Joe, I was just explaining how we have this spreadsheet, which gives you an idea of, depending on how many you purchase, what are the odds of getting certain rarities. So, like, for example, we just max minted, so we have an idea. Okay, well, that's 10 cubes. We have pretty decent chances of at least getting a legendary, for example, when we open all 5. It's nothing's ever guaranteed, but the chances of getting at least one still pretty good on 10 cubes, right? So you guys can use this depending on how many you do end up purchasing. Like they said, 20. So if you had 40, you have really good odds at getting everything but the Grail. Even that you have a 30% chance, but you have really good odds at everything but the Grail.
I know Mitchell Locklear has been searching for a legendary Vader. His odds to get one just he has double the chance now of hitting that legendary. I'm sure he's really excited for this rollout. And like, what NFTs ever go on sale? I don't know if I've ever seen this before. Yeah. Especially on major IP, big licensed NFTs.
Well, it's the digital collectibles, right? Which digital toys? Because these are fully gamified, and this is the thing that people are missing, because these, as of right now, they're digital collectibles. They don't have the game function activated yet, but it's part of the roadmap of the project. It's inevitable. This is what they will do on their project. This is their plan. They've already built these animated with the skeletons, so they're fully rigged and gamified. Fully rigged and animated with the skeleton to be gamified on their platform. So that's why these are digital toys, and they have the NFT technology in the background that just assigns ownership to your account, and then there's a lot of things that could come from that as well. So, Joe, I think we should open one of these up. Let's open one up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead with the last one here. Let's see what we get. Unbox Holocron. It's gonna be loud for me here, guys. You guys are not gonna be able to hear. It's gonna be loud for me. Okay?
My ears are fine. I can hear perfect. Here we go. I mean, is it? We might have not made this purchase if it were not for the giveaway. So, or not the giveaway, the buy one get one. So if we hit an Ultra Grail here, I mean, it's just juju meant to be. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens here. Let's see if the juju's with us. All right.
Oh.
Let's see. Okay, we got a rare.
Hey.
We got a rare. I don't know. What's that?
I like that skin. I really like that skin. I mean, that's one of my favorite designs that they've done. The Luke Skywalker rare, just because he got the helmet on. He's it's all scuffed up and stuff. Like really clean.
Yeah, decent. Okay, mint 1,223.
But we do have that one already.
I think we do have that one. Yeah, I think we have that one already. For our backpack here, we can see what we have left wrapped. And let's see. There's the rare right there. Maybe we opened it before. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's the double up. We had number 2090 before. So guys, that's it. We want to just share with you this breaking news. Superstars who are into Cryptoys, or maybe you're interested in getting into Cryptoys, I would say now's a pretty good time to get into it if you are interested. Look at that.
He's coming. He's coming.
Yeah, Mickey's coming. Watch out. They're going to have a big month this month, Cryptoys. They have Mickey and Friends coming out this month. So just remember, if you want to support the channel, make sure you use our ambassador link and go onto our Discord and let us know how many you purchased, because I have a rolling record of stars assigned every month to do giveaways, and you have a chance at maybe stacking on that utility. If you're going to buy anyways, you might as well just use the link so that you get the extra chance at maybe getting some giveaways. So guys, thank you all so much. We appreciate you. Make sure you let us know in the comments below what you think about this incredible 2-for-1 deal. I've never seen this before on any platform, so this is incredible, the 2-for-1 deal. And if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar family, hit the bell notification button to get every single video every single day. Also, Superstar VIP, it's $2.99 a month. Get the star, say your name, extra spreadsheets, giveaways. We appreciate all your support, guys. As part of the VIP membership program, you also have automatic stars into the Superstar utility program spreadsheets. You get 6 stars if you're a secret rare right now, and we know we have many of our longtime supporters that are at that right now. Guys, thank you all so much. Take care. We'll see you next one. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.